Dati, ito dati yung ulo sa taas.
40%, 70%
Then you have one for Great America and Bonfonte Garden. And then you have one for not only Great America, Gilroy Gardens, Knott's Berry Farm, and all the other ones that are in Missouri, Michigan,
Oh, wow.
on the East Coast.
Movement?
Oh. Mix. Movie. Hindi mo ako pamilya.
Oo, meron pa talaga, meron talaga.
Kaya palagay ko mo yan, hindi na rin makainom yun eh. Konti rin makaamoy lang yun eh.
Madali nang malasing.
Eh ako, gano'n na eh.
Nasa iyo sabi ko. Binuya ko. Ryan, Tommy. Look at me. What are you playing? We? Okay. Go. That's it.